So today we are going to look at my little thrifted country Christmas living room. I've showed my kitchen already in a video, and I pretty much talked and walked y'all through that whole video. So today I thought I would do it a little bit different and just kind of play it to some Christmas music. So if you are curious to know where something is from, just ask me down in the comments. That way I don't have to go and say thrifted or, I feel like sometimes when people talk through their home tours, it can be a little annoying to some people. Some people like it, they love it, they don't mind it. But then there are those that are like, I would just prefer some music. And I am completely fine with doing this one with mostly music since the last one was mostly talking. Try to change it up and bring something to everybody who likes the different things. So let's take a little tour of my thrifted country Christmas living room.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging, a symbol of goodwill and love. You'll ever be unchanging, each shining light, each silver bell, no one alive spreads cheer so well. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging.
Okay, I hope that you enjoyed seeing how I decorated my thrifted living room for Christmas. We hope y'all have a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year. We love y'all, and I'll see you really soon with a brand new video.